What's the meaning of breakpoint? Breakpoint. Breakpoint.
Breakpoint. Breakpoint. A breakpoint is a point in a program's code where the program will temporarily stop executing so that the programmer can investigate the program's state. This allows the programmer to examine the values of certain variables, evaluate expressions, and step through the code incrementally, making it easier to identify bugs and other issues. By setting breakpoints, programmers can gain greater insight into how their code is executing and identify problems more quickly and efficiently. Overall, breakpoints are an essential tool for anyone developing software, as they help simplify the debugging process and ensure that code is working as intended.